disciplined and effective movement capable of advancing the aspirations of the people of South Africa. The party remains steadfast in defending its constitutional order and ensuring that all members are held accountable to the same standards of conduct. The national officials have considered a series of actions, public statements, and activities by Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela that have been found to be in conflict with the constitutional obligations of members and leaders of the MK party and which have undermined organizational unity, discipline, and cohesion. In the case of Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, the party has noted repeated public statements and social media publications that have undermined organizational unity, promoted factional narratives, publicly discredited recognized party leadership structures, challenged the legitimacy of party decisions, and brought internal organizational matters into the public domain. These actions have contributed to divisions within the movement and have undermined confidence in the collective leadership of the organization. The party has further noted her participation in and promotion of activities outside officially sanctioned party programs, including conduct that created confusion amongst members and supporters regarding the official position and programs of the organization. Such actions have had the effect of encouraging factionalism, creating competing centers of influence, and weakening organizational discipline. With regard to Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela, the party has identified conduct that includes acting without proper organizational authority, convening and addressing media briefings without the approval of recognized party structures, misrepresenting party position and structures, participating in activities outside authorized party programs, and engaging in actions that have created confusion regarding official party processes and leadership arrangements. The party further notes with serious concern that the conduct of both members following the passing of an MK member of parliament, may his soul rest in peace, Honorable Muzi Jingila, Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and Mr. Nhlamulo Ndlela participated in an activity that resulted in the transfer of an ailing Mr. Njingila to another health facility without the knowledge of the family. The party notes that neither individual had any authority to involve themselves in matters related to Mr. Njingila's illness or to separate him from his family. The party also notes concerns regarding the removal of Mr. Njingila's personal belongings from his parliamentary residence without the knowledge of his family. Following complaints received from the Njingila family regarding public commentary and conduct surrounding the deceased, the parliamentary leader, Dr. John Hlophe, instructed both members not to attend the funeral proceedings and to refrain from making public statements, commentary, or social media posts that could cause further distress to the family, particularly regarding the deceased and matters relating to his marital status. As the party, we extend our deepest apologies to the Njingila family for any distress caused during this difficult period. Despite these clear instructions, both members failed to comply with the directive. Ms. Zuma Sambudla subsequently participated in social media commentary relating to the deceased. The party regards this conduct as insensitive, disrespectful to a grieving family, and inconsistent with the values, discipline, and standards expected of members of the organization. Their actions constituted a direct disregard of organizational authority and further aggravated divisions within the movement during a period of mourning. Having carefully considered the seriousness, extent, and cumulative impact of the conduct outlined above, the national officials have resolved that Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and Mr. Ntamulo Ndlela have acted in a manner fundamentally inconsistent with the values, discipline, constitutional principles, and organizational interest of the MK Party. By virtue of Section 2H of the Constitution, the President shall have the ultimate, which says the President shall have the ultimate power to issue presidential decrees on any matter pertaining to the operation, administration, and policy direction of the party in the interest of the party, which shall be binding on all levels of the organization. The President may determine and convene a policy and consultative conferences to discuss issues and matters deemed important for the growth of the organization. Accordingly, the MK Party hereby announces the expulsion of Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and Mr. Ntamulo Ndlela from the party with immediate effect. Their membership of the MK Party is hereby terminated, and they shall no longer enjoy any rights, privilege, responsibilities, or authority associated with the membership of the organization. This is a statement issued by the national officials of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and has been read by the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Nopala Jikelele weMkhonto weSizwe. We are now going to take a round of hands by members of the press. If there are questions, we will take them now. If there are no questions, we'll conclude the media briefing. Colleagues of the media, we're going to take one round of hands because we have to return to our campaign duties. So